Kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn some very important sight words. These words help us read faster and better. So, are you ready? Let's start. Sight words are words we see again and again. We don't need to sound them. We just look and read them quickly. Now, let's begin our learning. Our first word is the. Now spell it T-H-E. Now say it with me, the. Now we will read the sentence. The elephant is big. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, kids. Now our next word is sea. Let's spell it S-E-E. Sea. Say it with me. Sea. Now we will read the sentence. I see a bird. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Now our next word is can. Let's spell it C-A-N. Say it with me. Can. Again, can. Now we will read the sentence. I can jump. Now it's your turn. Very good, kids. Now here comes our next word, you. Let's spell it. Y-O-U. Say it with me. You. Now we will read the sentence. You are my friend. Now it's your turn to read. Excellent. Now our next word is on. Let's spell it O-N. Say it with me. On. Again. On. Now let's read the sentence. The book is on the table. Now it's your turn to read. Great reading, kids. Now our next word is my. Let's spell it. M-Y. My. Again. My. Now we will read the sentence. This is my pen. Now it's your turn. Amazing job, kids. Here comes our next word. Am. Now let's spell it. A-M. Am. Say it with me. Am. Now we will read the sentence. I am happy. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Now our next word is. Let's spell it. I-S. Say it with me. Is. Again. Is. Now read the sentence. She is playing. Now it's your turn now. Nice. Now our next word is off. Let's spell it. O-F. Off. Say it with me. Off. Now read the sentence. This is a cup of milk. Now it's your turn. Awesome reading, kids. Now our next word is go. Let's spell it. G-O. Say it with me. Go. Again, go. Now read the sentence. We go to park. Now it's your turn. Good kids. Our next word is we. Let's spell it. W-E. Say it with me. We. Again, we. Now read the sentence. We are playing. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Let's see our next word. Our next word is to. Let's spell it. T-O. To. Say it with me. To. Now read the sentence. I go to school. Now it's your turn now. Nice work. Now our next word is me. Let's spell it. M-E. Say it with me. Me. Again, me. Now read the sentence. Read with me. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, kids. Our next word is in. Let's spell it. I and say it with me. In. Again, in. Now read the sentence. The toy is in the box. It's your turn now. Great job, kids. Our next word is I. Let's spell it. I. Say it with me. I. Now read the sentence. I am a boy. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Now our next word is a. Let's spell it. A. Say it with me. A. Now read the sentence. I see a cat. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, kids. Now our next word is with. Let's spell it. W-I-T-H. Say it with me. With. Again, with. Now read the sentence. Come with me. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Here is our next word. Look. Let's spell it. L-O-O-K. Say it with me. Look. Again, look. Now read the sentence. Look at the sky. Now it's your turn to read. Excellent work, kids. Now our next word is here. Let's spell it. H-E-R-E. Say it with me. Here. Now read the sentence. My book is here. Now it's your turn to read. Great job, kids. Now our next word is come. Let's spell it. C-O-M-E. Come. Say it with me. Come. Again. Come. Now read the sentence. Come here. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids. Today you did such a great job, kids. You learned many sight words. you are becoming a smart reader. Keep practicing every day and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.